Hey guys, in this video I would be showing you how to set up a tripod for cubing. So you must have a at least 40-inch tripod, and it is of 50-inch. It is not expanded fully, but it's perfect size for me. You can also adjust as per your desk. So, and you have to make sure that you have some empty space right here i- in this space. So this is the tripod and my mobile mounted. So, so you have to keep your tripod right here like this. Don't keep it on any of the sides. It would be not comfortable and easy to shoot. So now you can see it's a perfect angle for shooting, and make sure that you are comfortable for sitting down. So it's my chair, and I'll sit down and try to shoot the video. So it's pretty comfortable for me. So, as you can see, and it's a perfect angle for shooting video, and it's also very comfortable for me to record. You can also use another angle for recording solves. So for example, I'll keep my tripod right here like this and adjust this like this, and adjust this like that. It needs, it's perfect angle for recording your solve. So as you can see, it's a nice angle. And this is for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.